I'm out of here.
Forest, Indiana, and Jefferson. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, Jefferson County and west central Pennsylvania, east central Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clarion County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brookville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles. Radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles.
Actually, this one's first.
Vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, Clarion, Brookville, Reynoldsville, Brockway, New Bethlehem, Sacresville, Falls Creek, Sligo, Big Run, Dayton, Strattonville. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 61 and 96. This storm has produced damaging wind. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262.
They're done.
Severe thunderstorm warning has been... The National Weather...
Where is that? Hold on. There's WAHC done, and then get over here. ER50.
Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The water temperature off Toledo is 76 degrees. Off Cleveland, 73 degrees.
Well, there's a... Nope, that's copyright. That's 5 EASs in one vid.
For Pittsburgh and surrounding counties.
Alright.